Hi everyone, I'm Farhanaz, exploring Replit, a gateway to coding. Welcome to this presentation. Today we'll explore Replit, a platform that makes coding more accessible for everyone. Whether you're a student trying to learn Python or a developer building apps in JavaScript, Replit gives you tools you need. For example, you're traveling and you need to quickly write some code. Replit browser-based interfaces lets you start coding without installing anything. So let us understand Replit. It's a powerful tool. Let's dive deeper into Replit features. First, its online ID means you can code from any browser, making it convenient for students and developers working from home. Imagine you're in a coding bootcamp. Replit lets you jump into a project in seconds without setup hassles. It also supports multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, and even C++, which makes it flexible for diverse coding projects. Whether Replit has covered. Plus, collaborative coding is a game changer. Think of pair programming. Your teammate can jump in and edit the same code at the same time, just like how Google Docs allows real time collaborations. So, moving on further, we have the key features of Replit. Replit's standout feature makes it incredibly useful. For instance, its version control allows you to track changes, similar to how the writers use Microsoft Word's track changes. If you're working on large projects, version control lets you manage codes update easily. Another great feature is the built-in debugger. If you're debugging a Python script, Replit helps you pinpoint errors efficiently without needing to install external tools. This is especially helpful when you're learning to code or debugging in the real time. Now, moving on further, let us analyze how this Replit works. First of all, creating your first project. Starting a project is simple. First, sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you can create a project by selecting the programming language of your choice. For example, if you're building a web application, you might choose JavaScript for that. Once you're in the editor in the JavaScript, just start typing. It's like having a coding classroom right in your browser, perfect for students or hobbyists. It's just that simple. So then it's the live coding and collaboration. One of Replit's best feature is its collaboration. Let me see here. One of Replit's best feature is its live collaboration. Say you're working on a coding assignment with friends. You can use Replit invite button to share your project with others. You can join in and make changes in the real time. For example, during a hackathon, this feature allows all your teammates to contribute the code, see live changes, and even chat about improvements, all without switching any sort of apps. Nextly, we have managing code with version control. Version control in Replit is must for any serious project. Imagine you're working on a web app and accidentally something messes up. With Replit, you can roll back changes easily and revert to a previous version. You can also connect Replit to GitHub. So if you're working in a professional environment or open source project, this integration keeps everything seamless. Nextly, it's debugging. It's made easy. Replit simplifies debugging with key features like breakpoints. It lets your JavaScript app isn't working as expected. You can set a breakpoint to stop the code at a specific point and inspect what's happening step by step. This is extremely helpful for finding bugs and fixing them quickly. You can also inspect variables at code runs, similar to how would you in professional IDEs like Visual Studio or PyCharm. So nextly, it's deploying and sharing your projects. Once your project is ready, Replit makes it easy to deploy it. You can develop or web app or just in one click and you will get a live link to share with others. Imagine you just built a portfolio website. This feature allows you to quickly show it off to potential employers or friends. So moving on further, we have this benefits for educators and developers. To wrap up, Replit is a fantastic tool for both educators and the developers. Teachers can use it to create a coding classroom environment and developers can use it for real-time collaboration and project management. It's like having a coding workshop at your fingertips. So thank you everyone. I hope so this video or this presentation was helpful for understanding about this tool called Replit. Thank you once again.